But I'm not a big fan of like water fights and shit. So if people start those water fights and whatever, I'll like laugh and be like, ah, you guys are so funny, and then I get sick of it like real quick. After that, I return to my tent and I continue barbecuing. And everyone will thank me because it will be the best barbecue they've ever had. Yeah. And then we'll play beach volleyball! Now, I kind of like beach volleyball, deadbeats. The reason is I used to play some volleyball. And I'm not bad at it, you guys. I'm not bad at it. You know, would win all the water fights. Well, yeah, she has all the tentacles. It's a very unfair advantage. Okay, listen. Listen. It's not a fair advantage, you guys. You guys are aware of that. Girlish laughing fit. I mean, it just reminds me, it reminds me of like anime beach episode. You always got, you know, the laughter, you know, the cute girls are laughing. Oh my gosh! You know, various fits of laughter. Oh my god, you're so cute! Oh my god, your boobs are so big! Kinda cute though. Kinda cute though. Just a little bit. Kinda like it. Kinda think it's adorable.